Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be how I fix my lashes. Yeah. And you know how difficult it is for people who have coily natural lashes. It's always difficult to fix lashes. It took me a long time for me to be able to fix my lashes myself. So today, let's just jump into the video, and I'm going to show you guys what you all need if you want to fix your lashes by yourself. So the first thing you need is the tweezer. We have different type of tweezer. I think this is the easiest one to use, I believe. And you need a bond. This is what I use. You can use a normal lash glue. I feel it doesn't work for me. That's what I feel. It doesn't work for me. It works, but it takes time to dry. You need mascara and any lashes of your choice. I have these lashes from Queen Beauty. I have two styles here. I have one Savage and Seductive. This is the Seductive. Oh, sorry. This is Savage. Savage and Seductive. This is Seductive. This is how it comes. The packaging is so beautiful, man. So this is how it is. So I'm going to use I think I'll use the Savage. It's lighter. It's lighter. That's how it is. So you also need a scissors. I did not mention that earlier on. For you to cut out the excess. You have to fix the lashes. Lashes like that. So you need a mirror like this for you to be able to see what you will be doing. Take your lashes, measure with your eyes, your lash line, to see if it's truly your eye, for your eye shape. So I don't know if you can see me. See, obviously it's longer than my eye shape. So what we need to do is to cut out the excess, then measure again before you place it on, before you apply your glue. So let's get the scissors. I can't find my small scissors, so let's use this normal one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut from the side. This is what I'm going to do now. Just cut one portion, one part. You know, they have like, I don't know how to explain it, but I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. Just, this is how it is now. Just take one from here, cut out one here, and then you're good to go. Something like this. Then go back and measure if it's okay. It's too long, so I'm going to take from the other side again. Take it off. So at this point, I think this is going to be okay for me. So you take your glue, apply the bond on the lash band. And this is what you just have to do. Apply it on your band. Very light, not too thick. You don't want to go blind. Okay. So this is how, after applying it, see how light it is. looks. Okay, this is how light it is after applying it. So then just wiggle a bit and allow it to be sticky. So now your mirror is here. So now I clip my lash with my tweezer. Take the tweezer very close, not too close, because if you don't take it close to the lash band, it might fall off when you want to apply it. So now it's a little bit tacky now. Place it in the middle first. Really close to your natural lashes. What am I saying first? Then take your hand, press here down. Then use the other one, press it down. It's as easy as ABC, but now you need to make it lap more. So after that, take your tweezer and make sure you press the false and the natural together. Please be careful so you won't injure yourself. Don't be in a rush to do anything. If you're in a hurry, don't do lashes. So that's how simple it is to fix forces, to apply forces. Me, I don't like, if I'm doing the natural stuff like this, natural look like this, I don't like using the liner. But if you feel you want to use a liner, allow the glue to dry a bit first before you apply your liner. Yes, that's how I do mine. But I don't like using liner when I'm going natural, when I'm going for a natural look. So make sure you press it down. And that is it. You can see the difference. So now, as I raise my eyes up, you can see under my real lashes is looking ashy kind of. So you don't want it to look like that. You want to make it look real. So after fixing it, you take your mascara and blend the false and the real one together. Now you see how dark it is now. Oh, that was so close. So let's do the other eye. You take your scissors and your lashes, cut. I already measured it, so if you haven't, just measure and before you cut. Don't cut before you measure. So after that, so after cutting, you apply your glue on the band. apply your glue on the band like this and wiggle, 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 wiggle. Tell me what you. If you have a curly lash like this, like me, please don't do your mascara first before you fix the forces, because after applying your mascara, it's going to be up like this and strong. You'll be able to fix your lashes. So I like fixing the forces first before I do my mascara. Yes. And apply. Look down on your, look at your mirror like this and apply it in the middle. First, apply in the middle. I like to be sticky a bit. Take your hand, place this one here. I like to stay. Take your hand, your fingertip. There you go. It's as easy as ABC. Guess the difference between this one and this one. You can see underneath this one is looking ashy. So first of all, let's make it lap first before you go ahead to use your mascara. Go use your tweezer and press your forces. Together with your natural lashes. This lash is man. If you're afraid of your tweezer, you can use your hand. Yeah, we are good to go. So after that, you go. I look different now, man. Lashes is life. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to blend the forces on my natural lash together. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share my video with your friends. Somebody's out there looking for the easiest way to learn how to fix lashes for themselves. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.